Imagine you wake up, your network's down, data's leaking, phones are blowing up. That panic, I want you to avoid it. Here's my step-by-step to evaluate your network security. Fast, clear, actionable. Step 1. Define what matters. Customer data, source code, payments, insiders, ransomware crews, nation-state actors. That threat model sets the bar. Step 2. Map the terrain. Internet edge, VPN, cloud VPCs, Wi-Fi, OT and IoT, SaaS, and identity. If it's not on the map, it's not protected. Step 3. Pick a yardstick. CIS controls. ISO 27001. Score. Identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. Step 4. Perimeter and segmentation. Review firewall and security group rules. Deny by default. Separate prod from dev, users from servers, guests from corporate. Aim for zero trust. Verify, then allow least privilege. Step 5. Endpoint depth, workstations, servers, cloud VMs, EDR or XDR coverage. Do you have it on everyone? Check policy and response. Isolate, kill, roll back. Step 6. Identity equals perimeter. Use phishing-resistant MFA. Enable SSO and conditional access. Enforce least privilege. Audit admin roles and service accounts. Add PAM and rotate secrets and keys. Step 7. Visibility. Centralize logs in your SIEM. Ingest firewalls, EDR, identity, DNS, cloud audit. Add app logs, IDS, IPS, and NDR. No logs, no detection. Step 8. Run authenticated scans. Prioritize by exploitability, exposure, and asset value. Track risk and set SLAs, critical in days, not months. Step 9. Secure config. Start with CIS benchmarks. Turn off legacy protocols. Enforce TLS. Lock macros. Restrict PowerShell. Harden Wi-Fi and VPN. Step 10. Cloud and SaaS. Clarify shared responsibility. Use CSPM and CWPP. Scan storage for exposure. Enforce IAM boundaries and monitor keys and tokens. Step 11. Third parties, inventory vendors. Require MFA, logging, and breach notification. Segment and monitor their access. Step 12. Prove it with tabletop incident response. Measure MTTD and MTTR. Run pen tests, purple team exercises, and breach and attack simulation. Step 13. Backups and recovery. Test restores, isolate, and make backups immutable. No RTO and RPO. Practice failover. Step 14. Metrics and roadmap. Patch SLAs, EDR coverage, MFA adoption, log completeness, alert fidelity. You're not hoping you're secure, you're proving it. Now go map it, measure it, and make it better.